Hello, y'all. This is Set to Achieve, and today I just wanted to put out this video about how I'm trying to put my a video together, put my content together. I've been pondering and just thinking about different ways that I can put forth more content and put out more videos on a daily basis for my different social media platforms. And I just find that, like, with TikTok, like with their filters and some of like the music and things like that, I find that it's better for me to like pre-record from TikTok, their platform, and then try to transmit it into other platforms like Facebook as well as Instagram to grow my following. So I have been looking at different ways on how to do it. I even watch videos on actually recording the video and then on TikTok and then taking out the TikTok symbol in the and watermark, taking out the TikTok watermark. And I watched those, but I think the one that was actually most productive for me was the one about actually screen recording your, like, once you record the video or put out the, do your research and record the video that you would like, and then, you do everything, and then before you actually post it, and like before you, because they, like, basically when it's on preview mode, you can just screen record that video and then crop it. So I just wanted to quickly do a video on like that little process, and just to help somebody else out there that was kind of like struggling with that. And another thing is having InShot, the app, is also very helpful, and because once you like basically hit record and record that screen, the preview screen, and and then you record it and you stop the recording and you save it to your video. I mean, it saves to videos. You're gonna have to crop it and like do other things to try to make it what you want. So having InShot is also helpful. So I'm just gonna put out this video about this. Okay, so please, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you have not liked the video, if you learned something or if it was beneficial to you in any way, go ahead and like it. It also helps the YouTube algorithm to spread it out to more people, and of course share to people that you know who might need the content. Okay, all right, and I hope you enjoy the video. All right, so as you can see, this is me on the TikTok app, and I already recorded my screen, so I'm actually on the platform. So you can see that I clicked on the screen record button right there, the blinking red button on the bottom, and I am recording my screen. I actually have the filter on. I've put the words there, everything on there. And so that's actually what you need to do. It's not actually posted yet, like where you have to put the caption, but it has kind of like almost like halfway done it. All right, now, so we're going to complete the process using InShot. So I have like I said, I have the preview of the video that I want to post or to use in my other social media. And I'm going to have to crop the video. So whatever video that you have, you choose, like you can see in the bottom, it says free 1:1, 4:5. So you choose exactly which size that you want for your video. So once you choose that, you choose which portions of the videos, like you of course you want to crop out like the part that is showing the font and all of that stuff on the side. So you choose whatever it is that you want, choose the angle that you want on your with the app. It allows you to do that, and once you select that, then you check out what exactly which part of the video that you like, and then now you can see. So that's the portion that I chose. So that's how you do it. So I know that that was a somewhat short tutorial, but I hope that it helped you um, to try to figure out what you want to do with your social media content, because when it comes to social media, everybody needs content, and content is what actually promotes your videos and helps you to sell whatever it is that you sell. So we all need more content, and we know that with the um, with the boom of social media, TikToks and everything else, TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, it's like content is key, and you need more and more short form content. So, um, you know, you can leave your comments and other suggestions of videos and things like that. Okay, all right. Hopefully, hopefully it was helpful. Remain blessed.